and one idea has been think, let's go money stole in the other place, and Raju Raju stole in the money during village of person stole during Raju has been cash and safe, and village of person has been say Raju is a thief. I गांव sorry village of people has been decide 2 year for Raju boycott in the village. आप लोगों ने समझा, राजू के पास पैसा नहीं था तो राजू ने सोचा कि आज चोरी कर लिया जाए। जब चोरी कर रहे थे तो राजू को पकड़ लिया गांव के लोगों ने, और गांव के लोगों ने जब उसको गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट, टुडे आई हैव नाउ इन दिस वीडियो all important word in English speaking more use this word. Let us start about this word, how to use sentence. First of all in this word about of background before I now. For example, this word you can see in the board, and for example, thorough, according, explain, nationalism, boycott, troll, being, spike, negation, abandonment, treatment, renounce, alex, instantly, turbans, stealth, greedy, and nepotism like, and actually. These words a lots of more and more speaking during using. For example, according, you can see all word almost 30 to 33 word. This time I have write in the board. One by one I have one sentence I have make second 4 5 6 all A to Z I have learned. Nepotism mean nepotism is your brother and sister. Boycott, Raju is a thief live in the village. For example, Raju is a honest man. One day has been think in mind, I have no money, and which time Raju has been think, I have no money, hurry up earn money how. तो गांव के लोगों ने मीटिंग किया कि इसको 2 साल के लिए इसे बाइकआउट किया जाए गांव से। चलिए, ट्रोल, sometime my friends, my village of some person, when anybody work and friends, anybody work and learning, and anybody exam of preparation, which time my friend and other student troll me. This student how much work hard, this student that is very seriously, and thipping, going, thinking, considering, listening, sleeping, laziness. How other person I cannot think about in the mind about me how to think, but troll, being troll. Today I have been making in this video, and I have been speaking English during 1000 time mistake, don't mistake, and all of in 1000 student inside 2000 student definitely I troll me, your English is very weak, I don't know. In this time I have try recording, troll, my troll, I have teaching in English. This time my English that is very weak, but I don't know. This time I have been practice, and for you making video, and some user definitely I troll me, don't worry. मतलब जब मैं वीडियो बनाऊंगा तो डेफिनेटली कोई ना कोई स्टूडेंट मेरा ट्रोल करेगा कि इसको इंग्लिश बोलने नहीं आता है। तो चलिए कोई बात नहीं है, मजाक बनाएगा। बोलता है बिंग मतलब लगातार। कहता है माय डियर फ्रेंड, इफ यू वांट टू सक्सेस इन लाइफ, once again this sentence that is very important for you, my dear friends. My dear friends, if you want to success in life, being continue work hard. कहने का मतलब है अगर तुम कड़ी मेहनत करना चाहते हो तो लगातार मेहनत करो, डेफिनेटली विल बी गेट सक्सेस इन वन डे। एक दिन तुम पक्का सफल हो जाओगे। हैज आफ्टर सम एग्जांपल थ्रो आई हैव एक्सप्लेन नेविगेशन यानी समझौता। वाइफ एंड हस्बैंड डेली क्वारलिंग इन द होम एंड नेविगेशन नेगोशिएशन यानी समझौता कर ले। पति पत्नी में अगर लड़ाई होता है तो समझौता कर लो, एमेटमेंट। some state of person and district of person and village of person has been saying government this policy has been implemented in the village and some state of person also say government of this policy amendment should be। कहता है गांव के लोगों को कि सरकार जो बिल लेकर आई है इसमें कुछ गलती है, इसमें अमेंडमेंट करना चाहिए यानी सुधार करना चाहिए। टेंडेंसी some person has been saying your tendency that is not good, renounce। today my friends our girlfriend for renounce me। मेरा दोस्त अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के लिए मुझे त्याग दिया। एलेक्स का मतलब दिस सेंटेंस इज रॉन्ग माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, डोंट कमेंट इन दिस सेंटेंस, आई कट। instantly work hard कि today definitely one day I want to crack UPSC BPSC anybody। ancestly teaching work hard, वो पागलपन की तरफ पढ़ रहा है कि चाहे हम IPS IAS बनिए जाएंगे। stubborn your stubborn that is very not good। Stacy sentence speaking during I cannot rightly explain this sentence this time English that is very weak my dear। greedy mother and father and friends and village of some person also has been saying this boy that is very greedy, but I don't know greedy this boy how to greedy before has been think about my child or background what is running in my minds I don't know। let's first of all I want to tell about this person why my child how to greedy but I don't know। उसके माता पिता को सोचना चाहिए कि मेरा बेटे आलसी क्यों हुआ, उसके बैकग्राउंड में जाकर देखना चाहिए कि इसके अंदर क्या कमी है। ठीक है, एक्चुअली आई कैन डू दिस वर्क माई मदर फादर माई डियर फ्रेंड्स डेफिनेटली एक्चुअली आई कैन डू दिस वर्क। obviously definitely UPSC correct the exam। okay, seriously this work of don't seriously that is this is the part of work and slowly work part of life, part of work and that is not part of life। literally definitely this exam will be correct this person। सचमुच यह लड़का करेक्ट करिए देगा। देखिए रियली यू कैन आई प्रॉमिस सेल्फ रियली आई कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश। मैं खुद से वादा करता हूँ, मैं सच बोलता हूँ, मैं इंग्लिश बोल सकता हूँ। लेट स्टार्ट सम सेंटेंस, लेट part 1 part 2 and part 3। part 3 inside has been watch how to write in the board। probably this time I can 2000 rupees inning in the game। मुमकिन है कि यह जुआ में 2000 जीतिए रहेगा। badly this boy of friend badly has been beat। think in my mind in English generally ब्रह्मपुत्र मेल कामाख्या दिल्ली गुवाहाटी एक्सप्रेस definitely will be stop in Pirpaiti। presently ब्रह्मपुत्र मेल stop in Pirpaiti railway station। please novice your novice that is not good। how to novice has been like I don't know। disgrace this person in this time disgrace me। I have no mistake, I have worked hard but my dear friend has been say disgrace this person। मैं मेहनत कर रहा था लेकिन मेरा दोस्त कहा कि गलत काम किया है, इसको बेइज्जत करो। करो। I say, my dear friends, don't go in this way. This way is very wrong. Disgrace. This way is disgrace. Don't go and go the right way. मैंने कहा मेरे दोस्त, यह टेढ़ा मेरा रास्ता है, नहीं जाओ, इधर जाओ, सही रास्ता है, ठीक है। नावेडे फ्रेंड्स, nowadays sometime I have been work postponed nowadays, today I have no time, what happening nowadays। मैं अपने काम को लगातार टालता रहता हूँ आजकल। आई डोंट नो, nowadays don't this work, this time I have to do, right is right। Let's start। hands after, thereafter। I say my friends, thereafter। मैंने कहा मेरा दोस्त इसके बाद आएगा। hereafter। मैंने कहा गुवाहाटी लोकमान्य तिलक एक्सप्रेस hereafter definitely ब्रह्मपुत्र मेल प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 1 has been coming in this time कहलगांव स्टेशन, and definitely platform number 1 has been coming, and hereafter गुवाहाटी एक्सप्रेस लेटर ब्रह्मपुत्र मेल। देखिए एनी टाइम go to railway station, master has been saying Brahmaputra mail in this time on time has been running, but I have promised 1 hour inside। At any time I have been announcement that the Brahmaputra mail platform number 1 has been coming। This video is like, please follow, like, share and please supporting। Thank you so much in this video till, thank you।